All right, you want an easy document or form for taking attendance in planning room or advisory. Here you go. I'm going to send you a link, and from that link, you're going to get a page that looks like this. You're automatically going to click Make a Copy, and that's going to put your new Google form into your very own Google Drive. Notice up here it says Copy of Online Check-in Form. Here you can change it to whatever you want to call it. So if I say it's Herbold PR Planning Room Online Check-in Form. From down here, I can add questions if I would like. Let's say I have students that are coming only on A day or B day. I could add that question. So what day do you attend this planning room? A or B, or any other questions you would like to add, you can do that there. When your form is all ready, you can press send. And then here, this is the symbol for link. So we're going to copy this link that's right here. So all I have to do is press copy and it automatically copies. We're then going to head back into our Schoology course. And we're going to then add materials right here. We're going to go to where it says File, Link, or External Tool. And we're going to press Link. Here's where you can paste. You can often right-click or click with 2 fingers on your trackpad, or you can press the Command V combination. You can title it. Sometimes if you've already written it, it'll come up here, or you can continue to type. And we're going to press Add. All right, it will show up on the bottom. If you want to move that to the top of your Schoology page, you click the icon and drag it up. And you can see what it'll look like for students by clicking right there. It'll be right within Schoology. Now, in order to go back and check your attendance, if you head back to your form, which should still be in a tab, and you go to your responses, they would show up right here. But if you want to have it laid out, you can click on here where it says Create Spreadsheet. You'll only have to do this part once. It will create a new spreadsheet within your Google Drive. And then everything will be time-stamped and all your answers will appear here. You can let it run through the duration of your online check-ins, and that way you will have all your data in one place. If you want to find an easy way to come back to that frequently, if you click the star up here, if you're in Google Chrome, that will add a bookmark to the page. So you will be able to use your bookmarks to find this information more quickly. Hope that helps.